How to make hot dogs at home. Making hot dogs at home is a fun and easy process. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 pound ground pork, 1/2 cup ice water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon celery seed. Hog casings. Hot dog buns. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, ground pork, ice water, salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, mustard powder, and celery seed. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. 2. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. 3. Soak the hog casings in warm water for at least 30 minutes. 4. Remove the meat mixture from the refrigerator and stuff it into the hog casings using a sausage stuffer or a piping bag. 5. Twist the hog casings at regular intervals to create individual hot dogs. 6. Preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. 7. Grill the hot dogs for 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are fully cooked and have grill marks. 8. Serve the hot dogs in hot dog buns with your favorite toppings, such as ketchup, mustard, relish, onions, and cheese. Enjoy your homemade hot dogs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.